Could a full-size keyboard actually feel custom and wireless without compromise? The Keychron V6 Max steps up to that challenge, promising a premium typing experience that's both flexible and feature-packed. Right out of the box, this 108-key behemoth feels incredibly solid. Keychron has really focused on typing comfort, incorporating a gasket design and sound-absorbing foam. The result: a wonderfully cushioned, satisfying typing experience that dampens harsh bottom-outs and gives a pleasing, muted sound profile. It's a joy to type on, whether you're hammering out emails or gaming. Plus, it includes that handy programmable knob, a fantastic addition for quick volume control or custom macros. But where the V6 Max truly shines is its versatility. You're getting triple connectivity, a lightning-fast 2.4 GHz wireless with a 1000 Hz polling rate, perfect for competitive gaming or ensuring zero lag. Then there's Bluetooth 5.1, letting you seamlessly switch between up to 3 devices, your laptop, tablet, or phone. And of course, a reliable USB-C wired mode. The flexibility here is just fantastic. Customization is also a breeze. With the Keychron Launcher web app, remapping keys or creating macros is a simple drag-and-drop affair, compatible across Mac, Windows, and Linux. For the more adventurous, open-source QMK firmware offers endless possibilities. Underneath those unique OSA profile double-shot PBT keycaps, which, by the way, feel great and resist oil like a champ, you'll find pre-lubed Gateron Jupiter Brown switches. These tactile switches offer a satisfying bump without being overly loud, making them a solid choice for both office and home use. If browns aren't your thing, the hot-swappable PCB means you can swap in almost any 3-pin or 5-pin MX switch without soldering. Plus, PCB-mounted screw-in stabilizers on the larger keys ensure a smooth, wobble-free press every time. The south-facing RGB backlighting is vibrant and fully adjustable, letting you dial in the perfect aesthetic. The Keychron V6 Max isn't just another full-size keyboard. It's a powerful, customizable hub for anyone serious about their typing experience, blending high-end features with everyday practicality. An amazing upgrade.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.